Welcome to Lingua Latina Chapter 14, Lesson 3 Exercises. Here we have more practice with the participles. Last time we had only the nominative, singular, and plural participles. Here we have the nominative, singular, and plural plus the accusative plus the genitive, dative, and ablative. These decline just like a third declension adjective. So there are I stems in the sense you have the ium as the genitive plural. The only change here is that in the ablative, most of the time we get a short E in the ablative, and some of the time you'll get a long I like you would with your normal third declension adjectives like brevis. So let's practice these as if they were third declension adjectives and see how we do. So we have Anquila, the singing and the slave girl singing and laughing is not heard by the sleeping girl. So we need nominative here, the singing, canens, and laughing, ridens, slave girl, is not heard by the dormiente, by the sleeping girl, ablative. Okay, so in the chart here, we're looking there at the ablative. And remember on Dorberg's order, nominative, accusative, genitive, dative, then ablative. The girl does not hear, the sleeping girl does not hear the slave girl singing and laughing. So here we have sleeping as nominative, dormiens, the sleeping girl. Puella dormiens does not hear the singing, canentem, and the laughing, ridentem, slave girl. But she does hear the slave shouting. So we need the accusative. Singular, clamantem. The slave wakes up. The slave shouting wakes up the sleeping girl. So we have servus, and we need the nominative here. Nominative right here, the first form. Servus clamans, puellam dormientem, the accusative, which is right the second form here, but we're the ientem because of the fourth conjugation. Dormientem excitat. Okay, let's try exercise number 8. Our vocab exercise. So viri Romani, Roman men, wear the toga. We need the plural form of that. Gerit is singular. Gerunt, the plural. Roman men wear the toga. Miles gladium gerit. A soldier carries a sword, or wears a sword, bears a sword, we'll say, in his which hand? Dextra. And he carries the shield, or bears it, in his manu sinistra. Remember that manus is a feminine fourth declension noun, one of the only ones, one of the very few. Okay, so let's go on to exercise 9. Here we have practice with res, rei, rem, re. Res, rerum, rebus, res, rebus. So the thing of the thing to the thing by, within, on, from the thing. The things of the things to the things by, within, on, from the things. So let's practice. This is just a regular fifth declension noun, very, very common in Latin, meaning thing. So sine pecunia, without money, nulla, so no thing, or the same as nothing. Nulla res is the same as is able to be bought. And here's the passive of emerat, to buy. Here is emi, to be bought, to be purchased. Without money, nihil nulla res, no thing, nominative case. Medus buys a beautiful thing for Lydia. So here we have the accusative object, right? It's being purchased. Mark Medus buys the thing. So here we need the accusative form, and that is in Orberg's list, the second form, rem. And pretium, the price of that thing, rei, is 100 sestertii. So be sure you can do this without consulting the chart. Do it from memory, and I will see you in the Grammatica.